Do you know? People decide who you are in just 3 seconds? Not after talking to you, not after knowing you, but before you even speak. Psychology says the human brain is designed to judge fast. It doesn't wait for truth. It looks for signals. Your face, your posture, your confidence, everything is analyzed instantly. In the first 3 seconds, people decide three things. Are you confident? Are you weak? Or are you dangerous? And this judgment happens subconsciously, without awareness. The brain uses shortcuts called mental filters. It compares you with past experiences, past people, past emotions. That's why first impression feels so powerful and so unfair. But here is the truth most people don't know. You cannot control their judgment, but you can control the signal you send. Posture, eye contact, silence, and presence matter more than words. So next time you walk into a room, remember, you are already being judged. Before you speak, your presence speaks first. Nixarian aura. Master your presence. Change perception. Subscribe for more psychology and mindset videos.